Hey folks, Ola here, coming at you from the road. Well, I did go to my local pond this morning. I threw the Livingston Lures Freddie B frog and the Livingston Lures walking stick bait. And I have to correct myself. Yesterday I didn't think I'd be able to hear them, but today I actually put the bait in the water, then picked it up and listened, and you can definitely hear a little. The frog bait sounded like frogs way off in the distance, kind of tinny sound to it, but it sounded like frogs in the distance. It's real low. And then the walking bait had like a little crackling sound. And I'll try to get it on the sound on this audio here so you can hear exactly what it sounds like. But fished with both of those this morning, and the bite was, well, I threw the Freddie B frog and I got nothing on it. Zip. I think it's too big for the area I was fishing. So I'll definitely take that into one of the bigger lakes with bigger fish. Then I threw the walking bait, and I actually had 2 or 3 little blow-ups on it, but they missed. I think the fish were too small. So that was all the action on the Livingston Lures on the 2 that I threw. I will definitely take them another day. Ooh, that sun, killer. So I only caught a couple of small fish today. I mean, really small. The bite wasn't good. Like I said, it was just. So with that being said, let's roll today's very slow fishing action. Simple one, here's the frog. Okay, here we go, walking bait. Good morning, folks. It is 6:29. Sun's about to come up. In the meantime, I'm going to throw this EBS gigantic Freddie B frog that I got yesterday. That's a good sign. Wow, this thing's heavy. As soon as it hits the water, it should start croaking. Oh, need to get out there and catch that. Oh, I hear a little sound it's making. It's like a very faint frog sound. Oh, that was a nice little jump. Try the EBS walking bait. Okay, I'm throwing this. This is an EBS bait. Walking bait. Ooh, it's a little bit heavy. Not a hit one. There we go. Oh, we missed it. He just hit it again. It's probably too little to choke it. Baby donkey. First fish of the day, just a little guy. Oh.